You are invited to join me in Tanzania, East Africa, including a domestic flight to the island Zanzibar, July 18th through the 27th, 2024. Don't miss out. Here's my mom's 1 month lock update. 1 month update, folks. Look at this. Yes. No unraveling. Look at this. Mama, this looks so good. Shake, shake, shake that thing. Shake, shake that thing, that thing. Yes. Look at that. Folks, do you see the glory?
Trust the process.
Trust the process. Mm-hmm. Is it my mom's Locs the bomb? Folks, I'm hyped. Okay. So right now I am at the store. I'm leaving to South Carolina tomorrow to get my hair locked by Kiki J. Follow, hit subscribe, and that notification button. Okay. I need some clarifying shampoo. And of course, we cannot forget the toiletries. Period, Target. Come on. Unfortunately, there's no black-owned clarifying shampoos right now. Gotta get a generic one. I don't understand why it's so hard to find clarifying shampoo. This is the only shampoo I found that says clarifying on it. If I like it, I will put it in my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description box. And before I leave Target, I always buy Me and the Bees, Michaela's Lemonade. Buy it, support it, love it. I'm ready to go to South Carolina. What? Folks, my flight has literally been changed and delayed 6 times. If this flight cancels and I miss my lock installation with Kiki J, so I literally have 2 boarding passes for 2 different flights going to the same place. I'm gonna go, which whenever leaves first, that's what I'm gonna go to. I'm late. Okay, everyone's already on the plane. I need to catch up. So I just got done using the clarifying shampoo. Absolute win. You can get that in my Amazon storefront. Beautiful people, I am in South Carolina on my way to see Kiki J to get my lock installed. Am I here already? Mm-hmm. What? This was quick. Oh, wow. Are you sure? I'm supposed to be at a studio, a hair studio.
That's where it's taking me.
I have arrived.
Oh, yeah.
W Salon Suite. I am good now, because I was about to have a fit. Hey, I'm here, girl.
All right, I'm coming up.
Kiki J. Kiki J. Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. Come on, outfit. We here, y'all. We here.
Oh.
We here, yeah. I can't. Love it. Got the snacks.
Yes, the drinks in the fridge too.
Oh, period. I was wondering, like, should
We
I?
got water, Sprite, and Coke.
Oh, see,
You know, room temp or cool.
room temp. Give me that room temp.
So I'm just gonna go over your form with you. Okay, so we have notes that you like 2-strand twists with interlocking at the root, small like mine, and thick density hair. Let's see, we have no specific grid, but a middle and a left part. Okay, and then we're doing the YouTube channel, so okay.
We're here.
All right.
Oh, the bricklayering?
Yes, bricklayer, we're gonna do that, and then you don't want like a straight middle part in the back.
No,
right?
I
Okay.
don't. So freestyle that girl. With the
Freestyle.
black hand.
Look, we about to get to it.
Question.
Oh yeah.
The braiding. How long? I know you said a quarter. Did you mean like a size of a quarter or like a quarter of my hair?
No, so I think I used the wrong term. So like, it's probably like 1/8 of an inch down. So
Okay.
very small.
Okay.
Kind of
perfect.
create that like anchor for the interlock, so it won't like slide down as easily as if we just started with regular
Right.
twist.
Okay.
So.
I was like a quarter of my hair.
Yeah, that's too much. I understand.
We ready.
We ready.
Folks, she found a spider.
Yeah.
She don't
The
do
spider was like, I was sweeping again just to make sure I got everything. And the spider just starts like crawling towards me slowly. He was kind of thick. So like, spiders are not the deal for me.
She
So
ain't having it.
it's not
The
the
reason
deal.
I was going back and forth with locks is because I love my afro. And I'm like, the locks I've seen, I'm like, I'm gonna have no volume. But when I saw you, I think I first saw you on Instagram, and I said, hers have some puff. I said, what is this?
Yeah.
And so when I saw that, I said, okay, that's what I want. So the frizz is something I definitely want. I want the frizz as long as I can get it. How long do you think your frizz lasted?
I would say for about a year to about the high definition frizz, probably to about, I say 13 or 14 months.
13?
No, maybe 15 max.
15 max?
Yeah.
Well, that's still a good amount of time.
Yeah. And you definitely get it. They're gonna swell. My mom's, when we started hers, her hair was not, she has like medium density hair. She has a lot of fine strands.
Like my mom, yeah.
And like they swell up so much.
Ooh, I'm ready for
I'm
that.
like, oh my God, she does see the change, but she's like, I don't think they're that different. I was like, you have to look at a comparison photo.
And you put a comparison, and I was like, what?
Yes. So do take a lot of pictures. Oh, that's actually quite center. That's great.
Yes.
Look. Yes.
That's what we want. So for me, it's the permanentness of it, so not being able to come through from my scalp. So did you go through that, like any type of anxiety or fear when it comes to the actual, your hair is locked?
Absolutely starting out, because it's such a big change, you know, and then like you realize you don't have, you know, the same volume as, you know, with your loose hair. But while it still will get voluminous, once you realize, you know, how many different styles you can do, so many different styles I couldn't even do on my loose hair. And, you know, just being able to wake up and go, like, it's no other feeling like it. No other feeling.
I'm just ready. And so my little anxiety, I'll just get through it.
Hey, it's gonna pass real quick. So, you know, I think everything will be A-okay. And then, like, too, when you start to, like, see your hair go through so many different changes that you haven't ever seen it go through before, like, that's a cool experience in itself. And it's pretty much like true hair freedom.
Join the journey.
Yeah. Join the journey, y'all.
And then inspire others to do it.
Yes.
When you went to that wedding.
Which, my god sister?
Yeah, I think you had a pink dress on.
Yep.
Yes, girl, that hairstyle. I said, what am I waiting for? That alone, I said, please. Because styling was an important thing to me too. Progress.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Casey.
I can't see.
Oh.
But I know. I already know.
Yep, we looking good.
How's it looking, folks?
Yes, yes, I'm excited.
DoorDash it. Because we don't want to waste no unnecessary time.
Oh, they put some utensils in here.
No.
You said we have a problem.
Thickness.
I told you, she thick.
She thick.
She thick. We got 2 more rows on each side.
Who came? Look at this, boy. Look exactly what I wanted.
That is so beautiful.
Oh my gosh, I love
You
it.
scored it so well too. Like, this is just made for you.
My lock installation was an absolute pleasure. Kiki J, we appreciate you, girl. Listen, the next day, I went and put rose water on my hair to give it some moisture. And look at the bounce. Look at the springiness. Folks, you know we love springy. The fullness. The voluminousness. Folks, you can't tell me nothing right now. Huh? What'd you say? Shh, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I'm in love. The only thing I can think of is, why did I wait so long? Beautiful people, thank you for joining my lock journey. This is just the beginning. Folks, tell me what you want to see. What do you want to see? Because I got some hairstyles I'm thinking about. Me and my mom is going to do more collaboration. What you want? What you want? What you want? Let me know, folks. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Beautiful people, welcome to vision-reality.com, your authentic Kente Cloth liaison. Legacy is expressed in the hand weaving technique passed down from generation to generation in Africa through Kente Cloth. Let us wear legacy. Folks, I have videos now. There's videos of the chairman of Kente Cloth, Stefan Amofa, sharing the story, the meanings, and the origins of each Kente. Folks, if you don't know what Kente Cloth is, you can read about it or watch about it because there's videos as well. This update has made me excited. So you can also visit the website just to learn what Kente Cloth is, the significance, how it is made, and hey, there's a little extra stuff there too. So the online store is updated and open. So if you'd like to donate to my journey, you can buy a t-shirt, Unity Through Community.